Somebody was talking about the silver and black looks better. That is what I ordered. The other one isn't. So they gave me that. I guess one is the older and one's the newer. And guess what? The new one, or older, whichever this is not as fat. It's more the old design. It's still tight, but it's not that tight. But there's a problem. I'm not strong enough to push this bad boy in. They have the same number, the 24187-237. See it?
Yeah.
Same model. Oh my gosh, this one's ridiculous. This one's ridiculous, everybody. On power of pushing it in.
You're tired.
Ah! No, I want to show them.
Yeah.
Probably because I'm tired of the angle. Look, it fits.
Yeah.
So these jerkweeds got me wrestling that one. Oh crap! Give me that metal bar.
Which one?
Okay, everybody. So if you get the silver and black, you're good to go. You get the blue and yellow, you're gonna be a sad fellow. Silver and black, no kind of hacks. You're gonna have to lightly grind that bad boy off. I don't know why they gave me 2 different years model or whatever. I guess that's just what they had in. These are from Bilstein.
Yeah.
This ain't from another company. I bought them from Bilstein. So if you get it and it comes gold and blue, yellow and blue, return it. Tell them I want the silver and black because they go right in, didn't they? They slipped right in, right?
Yeah,
Kristen?
a lot easier
Like
on
right
this
in.
side.
I didn't have to do any grinding, nothing. I just had to fight the power of them. I actually feel like they're slightly stronger. But they have the same model number, so it's just one's newer, one's older. But look at us, boom. We're done. Like I said, help me out, help you. I gave you that little idea of the grinding if you get that one, if you're just there. I bought these a month ago, right? So
September.
Passed,
September
yeah,
3rd.
So a month and a half ago, 2 months.
Yeah.
So I probably couldn't return them. So if you do get them open up right away, I just didn't have time. I had other things happen.
Well, they both had the same exact box, colored box,
They both
so I
came
figured.
in the blue and yellow, which I was like, oh, I think I said when I got it, oh, I ordered the blue, the silver. Look, do you see it? Doesn't it just look beautiful?
Yeah.
That one looks like, oh, why is that there? Why is it blue and yellow? I know it's their colors, but why does it look like that? These look better.
Yeah.
Looks beautiful. So beautiful. So that's what we got added on. I'm sorry for all the waiting and the trouble fighting. This thing went right in. Like I said before, 10-15 minutes, took less than that. The longest is because I didn't have a 21mm wrench, so I have to wrestle with one of these to tighten. All right, so that's it. All right, everybody, good luck on your working and your working and your jerking. Hopefully you don't have all the brakes that I have all the time. You know, on my Dodge. If you watch my channel, please subscribe. If you got a Dodge Ram at the same time, you're in luck. I have a million videos about repairing them. All right.